We travel to open windows, windows as experiences which relate to our past, our collective and individual past, to a moment in our lives. CINeSPACE technology is a tool to bring our cultural heritage to the foreground, a visualizer, if you will, of our collective past. In the place being visited, it stimulates a relationship of past knowledge to conscious and unconscious mind through the use of multimedia archives. The CINeSPACE project supports three types of users: film tourists who want to relive film in the actual locations where they were shot and see supplementary material about the production; film professionals who use the device to scout out new locations and then upload photos and videos to show their team back in their studio; and tourists who like to get immersive multimedia tours of the city. The CINeSPACE service will be available for rent at city tourism offices. After picking up the device, a specific tour of interest is selected and the tourists are guided through town. The tactile screen on the CINeSPACE device is specially designed to allow the mobile user to quickly access personalized information. It assists the user in getting to the right place by presenting a map of the city and highlighting important sites of interest. The navigation system uses 4 different technologies to allow maximum positioning accuracy. GPS or Wi-Fi is used to establish position to a relatively coarse 5 to 20 meters. Then CINeSPACE uses inertial and optical tracking to establish a more defined location. Inertial tracking uses integrated circuit accelerometers to measure accelerations and then mathematically integrate the equations of motion to find the current position. Optical tracking, on the other hand, uses visual details combined with parallax effects to find not only the position but the orientation of the device. Orientation information is also found from the direction of gravity and the Earth's magnetic field. All of these methods allow us to provide very accurate position and orientation information. If several devices are used by a group, it allows them to communicate with each other by voice via the built-in speakers and microphone and show each other what they are viewing at that moment. In any historical setting, there is an enormous amount of information available. Much of the data may be interesting to almost all users because of its quality and adaptation for the CINeSPACE device. Other specialized content, however, will be of high value to only a few users and of limited interest to the vast majority. In order to assist the specialized user find relevant content with a minimum configuration, several techniques of customized interface design are used. Film tourism is a new and popular way to explore a city. After renting the device at tourist offices, tourists are guided to locations where actual filming was carried out. The CINeSPACE system provides the user with the ability to morph into a movie scene. First, the system navigates the user to a location where the film was originally shot and cues the user to align the viewfinder with the first scene of the film sequence. Initially, what is seen by the user in the viewfinder is the video from the camera, but then the streaming video from the video servers is mixed in until the scene morphs into the movie sequence. The CINeSPACE system uses special software to stream video content to the device from the media servers via a Wi-Fi network. Since Wi-Fi bandwidths can be small when the coverage is poor, a very efficient transfer algorithm is used. Film professionals such as location scouts and managers are continually looking for locations which meet the requirements of the productions they are working on. The CINeSPACE system will be available at film commission offices and offers film professionals the ability to search for location candidates and take photos and video for potential sites. Video can be uploaded to the web via Wi-Fi connection and later shared with other members of the film crew in a remote location or in their office. The video that is uploaded is encoded with geographic location and annotations. In order to search film archives, the user-generated and subsequently uploaded video and film archive data are stored in MPEG-7 compatible format. Not only is the data stored in interoperable format like MPEG-7, but it has been incorporated with semantic web ontology, which allows for greater interoperability with databases in tourism and geographic information systems. Semantic data allows for the seamless integration with logic-based rules matching, which is also interfacing to allow advanced context and geographic searching. Film archive data is often stored as textual content with a heavy concentration of proper noun descriptors. The film archive data used in CINeSPACE has been pre-processed to georeference these proper noun descriptors. The georeferencing provides a reference to a point, area, or line which is integrated into the MPEG-7 ontology. Special algorithms are then used on the device in real time to correlate the current device location to the most appropriate content. We may daydream about how a historic place looked hundreds of years ago, but for many the visual simulation of daydreaming can be strained and difficult. CINeSPACE's use of augmented reality technology dramatically morphs the current moment into the real or film versions of the past to create a dramatic connection between the user and a city's culture.